Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am here to show you how to resolve media creation tool error code 0x80072F8F-0x20000 in Windows 11. On Windows 10, to fix this error, simultaneously press Win plus R key. Type %WinDIR%. Click on OK. Scroll down and open the software distribution folder. Double-click on the download folder. Select all, by simultaneously pressing on Ctrl plus A key, and delete all files. Give a check mark on. Do this for all content items. Click on Continue. Right-click on the Start menu, click on the Windows Terminal Admin. Click on Yes. Type the command wuauclt.exe/updatenow. Press Enter. This command is available under the description. Now check if the error is resolved. If it did not resolve the problem, click on the Start menu. Type regedit. After appearing the registry editor, click on it. Click on Yes. For the fast work, copy and paste this location into the address bar. Press Enter. This path is available under the description. On the right side, right-click on the empty space, click on New, select the word 32-bit value. Now rename it by Allow OS Upgrade. You must follow the small and capital letter. After renaming it, double-click on it. Make this value 0 to 1. Now check if the error is resolved. If it did not resolve the problem, click on the Start menu, type CMD. After appearing the command prompt, click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now type the commands shown on the screen one by one, and press Enter. This command is available under the description. Now check if the error is resolved. If it did not resolve the problem, click on the Start menu, type Service. After appearing the service, click on it. From this service list, find a service, which name is Windows Update, double-click on it. From the startup type, select Automatic, click on Apply, click on the Start button. Click on OK. Now repeat the same processes for the displayed services. After finishing that, restart the computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem is solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.